Today, the Supreme Court denied bail to Rashtriya Janata Dal chief Lalu Yadav, who is serving jail time after being convicted in the fodder scam case. The Bihar leader's lawyer, Kapil Sibal, said Lalu Yadav was given a 14-year sentence, not 25 years, and that he's not running away. The Chief Justice said whether it's 25 or 14 years, the High Court will decide. We can ask the High Court to expedite the cases against politicians. Let's go across back to Vaidya for more on this. So, Vaidya, the big setback to Lalu Yadav is that no bail for any for electioneering.
Yes, CBI completely opposed bail to Lalu, saying that he has been there in the hospital in Jharkhand for a long time and he is meeting all his political friends and he is chalking out his political plan, and if he comes out, then he will indulge in political activities. And CBI completely opposed, saying he should not be released. So when Mr. Kapil Sibal argued, saying that what is the danger, he is not running away, Chief Justice bench commented saying that the danger is you have been convicted. So there is a difference of opinion whether he has been convicted for 14 years, 25 years. Of course, Chief Justice making it clear it's for the High Court to decide. So finally, Chief Justice bench said that they are not inclined to grant any bail. So for the political campaign and for the Lok Sabha elections, it's a setback for RJD and for Mr. Lalu Prasad Yadav and the whole alliance, Congress-led alliance.
All right, Vaidya, thanks so much for joining us with those details. Let's just take a reaction now from the RJD.
जैसा हमेशा कहा है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट के फैसले का सम्मान हमारे मुल्क का सबसे बड़ा कोर्ट है, लेकिन तथ्य ये भी है कि उनकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है। आप रांची के उस अस्पताल के डॉक्टरों से भी पूछेंगे तो वो कहेंगे कि उनको मेडिकल केयर की ज़रूरत है। लेकिन मैं समझ रहा हूँ कि ये आप अपनी जगह बात रही। माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने एक बात और कही है कि हाई कोर्ट से कहा जाएगा, उन्हें डायरेक्शन दिया जाएगा कि मामले को एक्सपेडाइट किया जाए। सीबीआई के बारे में आप मुझसे कोई टिप्पणी ना ले तो बेहतर है। उनकी कार्यशैली, उनके मनसा वाचा कर्मणा, उनके मॉडस ऑपरेंडाई के बारे में अगर मैं बोलूँगा ना तो बात निकलेगी तो फिर दूर तक लग जाएगी।